Hello, question number 33. The height of four orange seedlings are 2 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. We have to calculate the variance. Now, in calculating variance, we know the variance is equals to, we can either have the summation of x squared divided by n minus the x bar square, or we can also use the summation of x minus x bar all square divided by n. So now looking at this, any of these formulas can be used. Let's target the first one, which is the x column. What is the x column? The values given to me, which is what? 2, 5, 7, and what? 10. What do I need? X squared. So I have my x squared term, which is 4, 25, 49, and 100. What do I need next? I need a summation of what? The x squared. Summation of x squared. All these values added up together. 60, 74, 78, 178. So if I'm going for this formula, it is just going to be variance equals to summation 178 divided by n. How many numbers do I have? I am having, 4 minus the mean. How do we find mean? The mean, let me have it here. The mean is just sigma x over n. Addition of all the values. This plus this plus this plus this. This is going to be 7, 14, 24. So 24 divided by 4, that gives us what? 6. So I have 36. Or let me just still put it there. 6 squared as the formula suggests. Remember, we are solving section A. So we would like to move as fast as possible. So this become 176, 78. Let's see, 178 divided by 4. That will give us 44.5 minus what? 36. So I think, let's see that. 44.5 minus 36 will give us what? 8.5. And if we can compare here, we can pick the answer of head from here as what? The C, 8.5. All right. Now, we can also make use of this after we know the gradient. Or is that gradient? The mean. We can say that if the mean is known, I need to find, I have the x already, so I go for x minus x bar. That is the first column I will need after I've gotten this. I don't need this, so I have x minus x bar, meaning 2 minus 6 minus 4, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 7 minus 6, 1, 10 minus 6, 4. What is the next thing? I have x minus x bar squared. So this square, 16, 1, 1, 16, right? What do I need? I need summation of that. So sigma x minus x bar squared, 32, 34. So this is what I'm going to have here. Your variance is going to be the sum of that, 34 divided by n, which is going to be what? 4. And I know that would be 32, 8 times. Remember 2, that is 8.5 as well. So we have 8.5. So either we go in this direction or we go in what? This direction. You come back to the same answer. The square is here because if you find the square root of the variance, then you get what? The standard deviation. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.